Okay, hi everybody. So I have number 16 and it reads, four congruent rectangles are arranged as shown in the figure to form a large rectangle. The area of the large rectangle is 768 square units. What is the area of a square that has the same perimeter as a large rectangle? So the question is basically asking for the area of this square that would have the same perimeter as this rectangle. So to solve that, we should first look at the diagram, and if we say that each of these little sections are x, it would mean that this is x and this is x. And if we say that the larger areas are y, we have a y here, we have a y here, and a y there. So then if we just know that the widths are the same in a rectangle, we can say that 3x is equal to y. And if we say this is the length and this is the width, the length would be y plus x, and the width would be 3x. So if we do the area of length times width, we can do 3x times y plus x. But since we had said that 3x was equal to y, we can change this to y. And then if we said 3x was equal to y, x would be 1/3 of y. So essentially what we're doing here is we're just getting rid of the x's. So then if we distribute this over, you get y squared plus 1/3 y squared. Now technically this y squared, it has a 1/1, which would be 3/3. So to add these together, you have 3/3 plus 1/3, which would give you 4/3 y squared. And this is all equal to the area of the large rectangle, which we were given in the problem. So we can set that equal to 768. So when we do that, we can multiply on each side by 3. So 768 times 3 is 2,304. And then if you were to get rid of the 4 on this side, you have to divide. So then when you divide 2,304 by 4, you get 576 is equal to y squared. And then to get y by itself, you have to do the square root. So the square root of 576 is 24 is equal to y. So now we know what this side is, and that's 24. But we still need to find out x. And earlier we said 3x was equal to y. So if we said 3x was equal to y, we know that 3x is equal to 24. So x is 8. So I'm going to put y is equal to 24 and x is equal to 8. So then if we find the perimeter, the perimeter is 2 length plus 2 width, which would be 2 times length, or 2 times y plus x, plus 2 times 3x. But we said 3x is equal to y, so again, we can change this to just y. So if we substitute in for y and x, because we already found those values, it would be 2 times 24 plus 8 plus 2 times 24. If you multiply this out, you would get 48 plus 24 plus 8 is 32. So 32 times 2 is 64. And then 64 plus 48 is 112. So that's the perimeter of the whole thing. And the perimeter of the rectangle and the perimeter of the square are the same. So you know that there's 4 sides in a square, so you can divide the whole perimeter by 4 to get the one side of the square, which would give you 28. So if we know 28 is equal to one side of the square, to find the area of a square, you just do size squared. So you do 28 squared is equal to the area of the square. So then 28 squared is 784. So 784 square units is the area of the square, and then that's your final answer.